It's time for a little channel update, don't you think? It's been a while. As you might have seen, my videos have changed shape a bit recently, quite literally. And the reason for this is that I decided that 2024 will be a year where I play around a bit more, where I care less about views and about growing the channel. I am very soon at 100,000 subscribers and I just feel like that's enough. I don't need to bend myself backwards to get more views. I'm just gonna play around more, do what I feel is interesting, experiment more. That does not mean that every video I do going forward will be quite as experimental as some of the recent ones have been. It's more that I play around and I explore new ways to do videos, but I feel that like I will definitely continue on the track about teaching photography with a focus on macro photography going forward. It's just that now in January, February in Sweden, it's just slush and grey weather and rain, and it's just so boring for a macro photographer. So that is why I allow myself to play around a bit more. Insect season is coming soon, and then I think my videos will go more back into the normal state with tutorials about macro photography and so on. But I will keep some of the stuff that I like from this experimental period. I will try to make my videos a bit more cinematic. I still do like the square format. I think I will keep that for a while, as long as I keep liking it. And of course I read all your comments. I really appreciate feedback, both when you like something and when you don't like something. At least if you're telling it in a friendly manner, in a constructive way. But most of you are, so I really appreciate you telling me what you think. And I'm, of course, weighing that into my overall plan on how I'm doing these videos. But I have decided that from now on, I'm gonna do the videos even more from my heart, how I feel like doing them, and care less about views and growth on YouTube. As I said, insect season is about to start. Not really. I mean, in Sweden, where I live, I think it's maybe towards the end of April that we start seeing insects outside. In April, I usually start seeing ants and some spiders, and then in May it usually starts for real with even more insects, and then it goes on until like September, maybe early October. But I usually cheat a bit. I usually try to go to Southern Europe, like from March. Now in the end of February, I think we are starting to see some insects in Southern Europe. So actually next week I'm going to Southern Europe to record some videos and to do some insect photography. Hopefully I will find lots of insects. And I'm really looking forward to that. It's been a while. When I do these trips to Southern Europe, lots of people want to meet up when I'm visiting their city. And I'm really happy about that, but unfortunately I always have to say no to such requests because my time is very limited. Usually I just go away for like 2, 3, maybe 4 days at most, because I don't want to be away from my family for too long. And then I'm really focused on making the most out of every day when it comes to being productive with YouTube videos and with doing photography. So unfortunately, no, I don't have time to meet up for a coffee, even though that would be nice, of course. So just so you know why I say no to these requests. Yeah, that's a small update. Hope you still like the channel, even though it's been a little bit crazy last few videos. I'm just exploring new frontiers, and some of it I will keep going into the future, and some of it was just an experiment. Thanks for watching, and see you soon again.